Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. In this video, we are going to understand the concept of joint liability group. So what is a joint liability group loan? Basically, joint liability group is a group who is engaged in similar type of business or occupation. This is an informal group which consists of about 4 to 10 individuals coming together for the purpose of availing a bank loan through mutual guarantee. Okay, so let's see how this works in Jainam software. So first of all, to create a group loan or whatever, like when we say it's a joint liability group loan, first we need to have groups. So they get created through master setup branch hierarchy. Here if you see, I have already created Bangalore Code 1, Prabhat Road, Gujarat North South. These are all my groups, and Pune, Bangalore, head office, Gujarat, these are my branches. So let's search for our group. Okay, now I am searching here for a group. Now here is the group. Now before providing the loan, we have to view the members in that particular group. Like now I do view members, we will be able to see that there are 5 members in this group. Actually 6 members are there. So now before we give a loan, we'll have to assign certain products for these members, because that is how joint liability group works. Okay, when they are availing loan, they also the financer also gives them products for certain rate. Okay, and then that amount is deducted from the loan amount. So let's assign product. For example, grinder for 1000 rupees. If this is tax applicable, you can just click this, add. Okay, for the next member also it's going to be grinder. Now for the third member, say it is pressure cooker, add. Fourth member, say again it's pressure cooker. Fifth member, this is sieving machine. Okay, you can add different rates here as in how every product cost is, and so this is again 1000 rupees. So now for every member we have added the product name and the product price. This is not tax applicable, so I have not mentioned it as tax applicable. Now after this I'm going to publish this group. Are you sure you want to publish this group? Yes. Now say by mistake you have assigned a different product to the different member and you want to change this, so you just have to unpublish the group, make the changes here, and again publish the group. Okay, so now let's provide a loan. Once the group is published, you will get this option to create loan. So say I'm creating a loan of, say for example, every member will get 10,000 for 0.15. This is say daily interest with principal. Say this will be for 50 days, and this disbursement is through cash. My disbursement date and installment first start date is going to be the same, that is today. Okay, fees and charges, actually I'm not going to add any fees and charges, but if you do have fees and charges, you can add them. So that we do have a different video to let you know how fees and charges can be added. Now next what we do is we go down and click this group member checkbox. So here before you create a loan, you know what is your product price. Now I'm going to go ahead and calculate this loan. So this loan is going to be for 9,000 because 1000 rupees is getting deducted as a product price. Okay, so now I'm going to save this loan. So see, once the loan is getting saved, you can see here loan number 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So these 6 loans have been created. Rest of everything is the same, like if the same as it works in Jainam software. So if you click on loan number 20, you will be able to see the loan summary here. As we know, we can set the auto debit NASH here. Then here we can see the installment tracker. Okay, that will be for next 50 days. Okay, so friends, this way joint liability group loans can be created in Jainam software. Now let me just quickly show you the collection also. In field collection we have collection, group collection list. Now collection will be shown here as per the group. For example, in head office there are 5 members. Okay, if you click this, you can do the collection group wise now. So under every group you will be able to see your members and say I received 933 rupees under head office group. So this way we have added a new option called group collection list, where your collection agent can now see members group wise and collection can be done group wise. Now say for Pune group there are 4 members and you want to receive directly in one go and the total is 2730. You can just enter your payment mode here and say receive group. So 2730 rupees is received. Okay, here. So today's total collection is 3663. Now one more thing that I wanted to show you is the products from where they can be added. They can be added from Ledger. You'll just have to go to create. Under create you will see that there is stock in hand. Okay, there is stock in hand option and they come under stock in hand. So you can just here say, if you want to say washing machine, okay, you can add this through here. Okay, so this way your products can be added. So friends, this way joint liability group concept works in Jainam software. We are adding many more new features to Jainam software, so please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube video. There are a lot of FAQs that we have added in Jainam software. You can go through them as well. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a nice day.